Right now, the Andromeda Galaxy is heading toward us at 250,000 miles per hour, and there is absolutely nothing we can do about it. But here's what's wild. When galaxies collide, almost nothing actually hits anything. And somehow, it's even more terrifying than if it did. Imagine the Milky Way is a dinner plate. Andromeda is another dinner plate. They're about 25 meters apart. That's the gap between galaxies. But those plates, they're almost entirely empty space. If you shrank every star in the Milky Way to the size of a grain of sand, the nearest other grain would be miles away. Miles. So when galaxies collide, what actually collides? Almost nothing. The stars, all 400 billion of them in each galaxy, pass right through each other like ghosts. No star-on-star collision, no fireworks of exploding suns, just two immense structures of gravity, slowly dancing, distorting, reshaping each other over hundreds of millions of years. But something does happen, something so violent and so beautiful, it's almost impossible to describe. And it's already been caught on camera. First contact. The outer halos of gas and dark matter begin to interact. Gravity starts bending the arms of both galaxies, pulling stars into long, sweeping tidal tails millions of light years long. We've actually seen this. The Antennae Galaxies, two galaxies mid-collision. Their tidal tails look exactly like insect antennae, stretched across space. Over the next few 100 million years, the two galaxies orbit each other, spiraling, merging, separating, merging again, like two soap bubbles slowly combining. Here's what almost no one talks about. Galaxy collisions don't destroy stars, they create them. When the gas clouds of two galaxies collide, and gas clouds do collide, unlike stars, the compression triggers massive waves of star formation. Thousands of new stars born in a cosmic burst. In the Antennae Galaxies, over 1,000 new star clusters have formed, some of them larger than anything in our own galaxy. A collision that looks like destruction is actually a nursery. Violence and birth happening simultaneously, at a scale we can barely comprehend. Oh, and the supermassive black holes at the center of each galaxy? They don't escape this. Over millions of years, they spiral toward each other, pulled together by gravity, getting closer and closer, until they merge. Two black holes, each billions of times the mass of our sun, colliding. The resulting gravitational waves ripple through the fabric of space-time itself, detectable across the universe. We've actually detected these gravitational waves. LIGO has heard the echoes of black hole mergers. The universe literally shook, and we felt it. So about that Andromeda thing I mentioned at the start. In approximately 4.5 billion years, Andromeda will collide with the Milky Way. Our home, our galaxy. Will Earth survive? Almost certainly yes. Remember, stars don't actually collide. But our night sky? It will be utterly transformed. Andromeda's spiral will stretch across the heavens. New stars will ignite. The galaxy will never look the same. Humans, or whatever we become, might look up at a sky so dazzling it makes our current view look like a candle next to a supernova, and it will have been caused by the biggest slow-motion crash in history. Scientists have a name for the galaxy that forms after the collision: Milkdromeda, or sometimes Milkdromeda. It won't look like either parent. The beautiful spiral arms, gone. Both galaxies will reshape into a giant elliptical galaxy, a massive glowing cloud of stars with no defined structure. Calm after the storm. Two distinct spirals, billions of years of history, merged into one quiet, featureless giant. There's something almost poetic about that. Two enormous things, each with their own identity, colliding, surviving, and becoming something neither could have been alone. Galaxy collisions aren't rare. They're one of the primary ways galaxies evolve. The Milky Way itself is the result of dozens of smaller galaxy mergers over billions of years. We are the product of cosmic collisions. Our atoms, our star, our planet, all forged in the aftermath of mergers. In a very real sense, everything you've ever touched, every person you've ever loved, exists because galaxies crashed into each other. Destruction was the price of everything. Here's a question that keeps astronomers up at night. If two galaxies are colliding right now somewhere out there, could life on a planet inside one of them even know it? The answer is almost certainly no. The process takes hundreds of millions of years. To any civilization living through it, the night sky would just slowly change. New stars appearing over millennia. No explosion. No alarm. Their scientists might look up, run the math, and realize we are inside a galaxy collision. We have been for 50 million years, and we'll be fine. There's something deeply humbling about that. The most violent event in the universe, and life just continues, adapts, looks up in wonder. But not every star survives the chaos around it, and not every planet stays in its orbit. Which raises a darker question. What if our solar system gets flung out? If our solar system were ejected during the Milkdromeda collision, the sun would still shine. Earth might stay warm for billions of years, but the night sky would be completely empty. No stars, no galaxies visible, just our sun, our planets, and an infinite black ocean in every direction. Imagine being the last civilization in a universe that looks completely, utterly empty. Not because the universe ended, but because you got lost. So the next time you look up at the night sky, find Andromeda. It's faint, but visible. A smudge of light in the constellation of Andromeda. That smudge is heading right for us. It has been for billions of years. And it will be the most spectacular event this corner of the universe has ever seen. If you want to know about the most deadliest star in our universe, we have a video on that. Link in the description. And if this blew your mind even slightly, you know what to do.